This is a very cheap wireless mouse made by Serious. That's a Romanian company, but brings the stuff from China. They just paint the brand on it. So my grandma destroyed it, and something is moving around in it. I don't know what exactly, but we'll open it up and see. So probably one screw. Yep. I'm very curious because my grandmother doesn't have a feeling in her hand, and she may have just yeah, pressed the button too hard. So let's see. Ew. Wow. The button broke off. Man, I never saw something like this. It clearly just broke off. Oh boy. Yeah, that's bad. But I can just replace the top part and it will be fine. I just have to find the donor mouse. That's so funny. So, yeah, be right back. Where did I put those switches? Oh, uh, yeah. Where can I get some? Did I put any here? Oh, I have these mice all over the place. So yeah, I take the worst button and I need the needle. So I just take off this top part and maybe force it off because there's something in the way. I can't undo it properly. So I just take this and put it on the other thing. How does this come out? Just lift. Is there a screw somewhere? Oh, here's the part of the mouse. The button. White thing. Okay. How do you lift this? Oh, snap fit. Snap fit here. And that's it. Ooh, it's dirty. But now I can access this, take off the top and put on the new one that's not broken. This is an easy fix. This is really easy. Just make sure that this is aligned. Yeah, someone pressed it hardly. Yeah. And it's working. Okay. Let's put on the top. And it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. This has a non-standard shape. What? Why? It should fit. I never saw anything like that. So this doesn't Omron switch. This is another brand. So I have to find... I'll just replace the switch. It's not a big deal. Let's get the battery out and replace it. It's not a huge deal. Yeah, I don't have a proper soldering iron here. So this will be a shit job, but yeah, you only have to do it once, probably. Because the mouse won't tolerate more BS. So how was this? Like this. So oh yeah, there's no mystery here. Just put it there. Man, you don't have to complicate things. Overthink, I mean. Yep, it's almost out. I bent one pin, but no problem. This is fast and agile, or what do you call it? Just do things fast. And probably break something, but yeah. Let's straighten it out or something. Does that even matter? If it's straight. Yeah. That's not good. Ah, it's straight. So where I press it, it doesn't really matter. Okay. Okay, that's the good part. So just put it in. I may not even use new solder. I don't think I care. Come on. Doesn't want to go in. Yeah. Now it's in. And yeah, let's put some solder. Let's be nice here. Where did I put the solder? Here it is. Oh boy. I'm being an amateur here. But yeah. That's perfect. And that's perfect. Okay. Haha. So now it clicks again. Hopefully. Yeah. Just click it in place and yeah. Nice and easy. Fixing $5. I think this was $5. So if you don't want to go outside in the cold to pick up or buy a new mouse, maybe you just fix it. Right to repair and all that. Man, this doesn't want to go into its place, but it's done. So I just stopped the recording. It works, believe me.